So this is grilled pusit, may no? Ah, grilled ba? Hindi. Sizzling pusit. Then of course, our favorite. This is also sizzling bagaybay. Then ito, the most healthy na food. We are having a brunch here at Rams, the best seafoods, no, na restaurant in Davao City. Ito yung sabaw, pampagana. Of course sa akin with yung red hot na chili sauce. Ano sabaw, Mai, so far? What do you think? Huh? Perfect. So we had our seafoods last night. Ngayon seafoods. So we're planning to eat sana sa MERS, no? But I think realizing na mas masarap dito sa Rams, dito na kami kakain. Sana may discount kami dito, no, for endorsing yung resto nila, yung Rams. Dito yung facilities nila if you want to check. Maganda, no? Maganda yung table. This is the iron wood. Very rare na mga tables to, makikita mo. Kasi may-ari dito is really also a collector ng mga wood products. So yung location niya is just ano ba location nito? The location is in malapit lang sa Coastal Road, no? Paglabas mo sa Coastal Road, going Digos, sa right side siya after yung Shell station. Tingnan natin yung parang ako. Maganda yung setup nila here. If you want to have some yung mga travelers, you want to have something na they have also yung mga grilled na products nila. Chicken, na may native chicken, wala, no? Sa mga isda nila, ayan, no? You want to, ako lang i-cover. Of course they have yung hito, fried hito at Rams, no? Ayan, no? Wow, sarap. So sa harap na, this is harap ng Steven Hardware, no, in Bago Aplaya. Highly recommended na resto. In my opinion, this is the best seafoods resto in Davao City. Sana pagbalik namin meron kayong makuha na discount here, no? Okay, so what about this? Ayan, so far anong sarap niya before I close? Ayan.
My favorite, longganisa.
So far?
Dapat tasted it yan.
Huh?
Try po.
Wow. Okay, so meron kaming, we're launching some classwork dito here also, no? Kami lang medyo nauna na client.